na video bi circulate wo wiase afa na nyina chese fa yen yankasa ye blogger ba ko pe Zionfelix ho na chese video no emu ni hu se Zionfelix ene abaya bi ejina ewo no ma na chese womo eka womo vows a womo ehye ekawa na eno na enam so ma dodo na eka say adan secret wedding bi ekoso ewo baabi a na abrawo bia enim eho ehwe na eno na hwehwemu ebebetu ojan dodo na eba bebeka so ye abaya na yehunu wo video nim no Erica na ye musician na ntie ye video clip ne won koneba Emma Zionfelix na kwampo be admit say wedding bia enkoso no secret wedding na me ne wo eka say ye blogger wo no susu ni din a eda bonten cute juice wa ba bonten ba be chirichiri nsemu afa video na circulate no ehwo na emu enchimu abusiafo esewani ensese ye ka echo na ebia na wani enkonkotwa video na Zionfelix worry anase wo share Erica ne kawa no ntimo ma yenkwohwe sa video no eba ne ba me the cute juice so ensem o de ebetu dwa no aba abesom
Show você. Meu guarda. Ma false. Me manti bremu. Ayire. Bem quando nyina. O nyamia ja. Oba. Ani sunsun konkodem. Amen. Bon sen que se bero. Ana dubi esi abeye na mafowari. Ba se ya wo sin ko ta na yusu ba bi ba do ti. Vina bewura listen Musa media juma abata ikiso sunu. Amen. Amen.
Na abusiafo se de muhu ye eno na ma dodo na abusa se na Zionfelix enim se owo girlfriend ewo holo ma dodo na nim na ye mina na wono owo he ade won ware no ene won ko ne ba e ma je se rumors cry circulate se mina kwampo enyem ede eman na de ntia amasa video we Zionfelix ene Erica ejina wono mu a wo exchange vows o mo hye kawa ne bebeto abonten no cute juice echirema na chete knocking na akoso say Erica enso enyim edema Zionfelix na nensem no mama me kwan na menkenkan emfa emmamo cute juice say na ocho nensem no say this is popular Ghanaian blogger Zionfelix and Erica, a Ghanaian based in Italy. Long and short, Erica traveled to Ghana to promote some gospel music. She said she's done. She contracted Zion as a blogger to help her promote her music and gospel musician brand. In the course of working, they got knacking and Erica got pregnant. Before then, Zion had always maintained he already had a fiancée, Mina, whom Erica knows very well. So fast forward, when the pregnancy came in, Erica's family asked Zion family come and traditionally accept the pregnancy. Upon getting there, Erica's mom insisted that Zionfelix should at least do something called knocking introduction, because Erica is one of the leaders in the church choir, and it will be a disgrace that she is pregnant without being married, etc. Erica's mom was able to convince Zion's parents. This was in February. We contacted Zion then. Zion maintained his stand that he is getting married to Mina and gave us all proof, which we are not posting for now, because we agreed with Zion and Mina. Now, the Erica has heard about Zion and Mina's intent marriage and has seen Zion's seriousness as Zion refused her from traveling down to come see him. Erica now decided to leak these videos to so to leak these videos so that Mina will back up. But unknown to her, Zion has already told and apologized to the fiancée Mina about all this. Speaking to Zion this morning and said, "Guilty. My only focus in life now is Mina. I love her and I'm getting married to her. All I pray is for her to be safe and healthy for me." Na ebusuafo said the guilty e de enchemu no ababa beto abonten e de amaye no na chese ye video no ache krampom bra chese ye Erica yi ba Ghana na chese ye ni music video ne won ko ne ba na wo ba ye na chese enam se Zion ye blogger dodo na ni no na dodo na etie ni nti na chese won mo no won boan na chese ontimi promoting ni nyum to ne de keka ho no na chese nam so ma wa woni mu mema e de ontimi ete se okra ne fish ontimi nja wo mo e woda ba ku mu ma ne yeyem enti ene chese ye se peja ena nyinsen e de ebam ne no na abusuafo echiremu a wombra no memaji nyinsen ntuma okoye no okwakoji nyinsen na tuma ye de no kena chechire ne kon den enti no ena afi ya ye Erica hu se Zion ene ne girlfriend Mina wo mo ayo maji se de wo be ware no anase wo mo hu se wo intention of getting closer anase getting married no ya ben no enunti wali kisa video se de be yanka Mina hu a nanko wa back up say na de Zion ware wa tire na then not knowing so say na Zion wa bo Mina amane de afa ehu enti na de video na ye hu ni nyina Erica jealousy and ema no spread such rumors de afa ehu ne no na dodo na ka say there be and kwan bi wo hono ma emema enam so aya na enye kwakwa say wo mo de emma atinka ebedi akoya atopre aya na enye ne kwan so no esan say wonim say woni wo oba woni ne wo ho a wo pese woni no entina onkwa na nyina enti adenti na obi aba se boa no na ne ontimi promoting ni bibia enu mu no wo boa no utimi boa no sa anyem no ma wo like ohunso okoni mu ma producing kwala ensa enka ho abra wonim se oba fofo e wo honom na wonim se na mse wonya ba na ba pa cho wonko ade a yeden a oba no obeje ede atuma ye besire mema no se ya ade wei na wo penko ade a ma wo focus enko anu nko a eso na make sure say ade na wo pen ube meet wo target na yenya say dane da wo target ni enso na wo fa nchen twa fa nchen say ani abenkwankwa de untimi ndi abenkwankwa nti ene di say open kate ene nkrakra bi de fra ene den debi ya besere mu na chese abusuanfo video na circulate no emu enchiremu eno no enye se Zion wa have a secret wedding bia knocking keke na cause all because of tonga kekere bi okoko 2 years no na di nyinse ba ya chese ma ye de knocking chiche no konto no de still Mina ne dofo a chese woda na koma so a nunti no ono a na wo be ware no na abusuanfo na mdu esie wade ntwefa ansem nso betimi da betuja otuma gh comment section like videos na share all the social media platform as media and ekua sikapa that's na yebesane di share makra